Hello learners, this is Shraddha Bharti and I welcome you all to yet another lecture on soil mechanics, and in today's lecture we are going to learn about what is degree of saturation of the soil. So by definition, the degree of saturation is defined as the ratio of the volume of the water present in the soil to the total volume of voids in the soil. So this is the three-phase diagram. It is the volume of air over here, this is volume of water, and this is the volume of solids. So we can write the degree of saturation as the volume of water to the volume of voids. It represents how much voids in the soil is filled with water. As you already know, I have already explained in the previous lectures that air plus volume of water together makes the volume of void. Now, the soil can be fully filled with air, as in this case where the volume of water is 0. Here the volume of water is 0 and degree of saturation is defined as volume of water to the volume of voids. So that means all the voids are filled with air and there is no water in it. In such cases, the degree of saturation is 0. In this case, I'm sorry for there's a slight mistake over here, but consider that all the voids are filled with water. So there is no gap here and all the voids are filled with water. That means all the voids is filled with water. That means all the volume of void is same as the volume of water. Volume of voids is same as the volume of water. In such cases, degree of saturation becomes 1. And when the soil is partially saturated, that means a certain part of the soil is filled with air and certain part of the soil is filled with water. In such situations, the degree of saturation is between 0 and 1. And you can also say that degree of saturation is between 0% to 100%. So degree of saturation can be expressed in percentage as well as in fractions. Now, on the basis of the degree of saturation of the soil can be classified in many forms. So let's first understand this. This is a chart. Here in the y-axis I am representing the degree of saturation. So when the degree of saturation is between 0 to 0.25, then 2.5 to 0.50, from 0.50 to 0.75, and from 0.75 to 1. And here is the water present in the voids. So as the water present in the voids is increasing, the degree of saturation is also increasing, and let's see how the soil is classified. So in the first case, when the water present in the soil is 0, that means the degree of saturation is 0. There is no water present in the soil voids. The soil is said to be completely dry. When the degree of saturation is between 0% to 25%, or you can say in fractions from 0 to 0.25, the soil is said to be in humid condition. So this whole thing represents the humid condition. When the water in the soil or the degree of saturation is between 2.5 to 0.5, the soil is in damp condition. This whole region, the soil is said to be damp. While when the degree of saturation is between 0.5 to 0.75, the soil is said to be moist. And when the degree of saturation is between 0.75 to 1, the soil is said to be wet. And if the degree of saturation is 1 or greater than 1, then the soil is said to be fully saturated. That means the entire voids present in the soil is filled with water. So that's all for today's class. Thank you for watching. This is Shraddha Bharti signing off. Bye-bye and have a nice day.